Hello, everyone. Larry Parman here, again broadcasting from Austria on a Viking cruise ship on the Danube River, making our way from Budapest to Amsterdam. Great trip. Spent the morning in Regensburg. Great little community. Really enjoyed that. Loved it. Today, a little bit more about a power of attorney. Sometimes people say, well, when does a power of attorney become effective? And it can become effective um, upon execution. So the minute you sign it, depending on how the document is worded, if the language is clear, the document can be effective. The power you grant someone, that person called either your attorney in fact or an agent, is effective the minute your signature dries. And that person can go out and act on your behalf. So again, the good reason to be thoughtful about who you name as your agent, right? Most of the time, the people who select someone to be their successor trustee, where that decision is based very much based on the amount of trust and capability that that person has to perform the duties of a successor trustee if you become incapacitated or upon your death. Likewise, the property power of attorney handles financial instruments, financial transactions, and so forth. So in most cases, that person will be the same. But again, very important. The key point, power of attorney can be effective upon execution. It can also be effective upon incapacity. We call that a hybrid. What that means is the document just sits there. There's no power granted. The document authorizes someone to act on your behalf, but only if two physicians certify you're incapacitated. So in some cases, we have clients who will grant the spouse an immediate power, but as to the children or other third parties, select the hybrid option. In other words, that person or those people would not have any power until two physicians certify incapacity. So again, that's when and how the power of attorney becomes effective, when it can be utilized. So I'm going to sign off. I'm going to have more to say about power of attorney forms, what they can and cannot do at another session. But in the meantime, Larry Parman here. Have a great day. Take care.
If you would like to learn more about creating an estate plan for your family, protecting your assets if you have to go into a nursing home, or transitioning your business, call 405-843-6100 or send an email to info@parmalon.com. That's 405-843-6100 and info@parmalon.com. Thank you.